After visiting one of the best wood plans websites, we decided to write a review for you. We strongly believe that woodworkers, homeowners, or any do-it-yourself will want to know what we discovered. We analyzed the site and determined homeowners, woodworkers, or any DIY person can benefit greatly from this wood plans website. Get instant access to thousands of plans. In fact, you will have access to 16,000 woodworking plans and projects. Other websites only offer single wood plans for sale, but not at Ted's Woodworking. You can download all 16,000 wood plans in a very short amount of time. And these wood plans are organized into over 100 categories. Within each category you have multiple plans. Listed here is every category available: arbor, bench, bird feeder, bridge, cabinet, cart, chest, fireplace and mantel, coaster, cutting board, doghouse, fence, garage, hammock, jig, lamp, mixed, screen. And there's more: shelf, storage, toolbox, utility building, media center, bedroom, coffee table, outdoor, gun cabinet, tool, wagon, and even more: weather station, winter, wishing well, garden, landscaping, house, cellar, compost bin, barn, bookcase, bucket, candle, CD holder, chicken house, cold frame, deck, dresser, file cabinet, yet more plans: gazebo, horse barn, kids and playground, mailbox, ottoman, rabbit house, scroll saw, stand, swing, trolley, workbench, children room, and more plans for home office, birdhouses, crafts, container, router, sign, sport, cradle, door, drill press, easel, lathe, mantel, boat, includes plans for cat house, bed, beehive, box, cabin, carport, chair, clock, computer desk, farm shop, frames, greenhouse, hutch, knife block, mirror, pergola, plus plans for rack, shed, stool, table, tray, plant stand, entertainment, camping, kitchen, playhouse, squirrel den, trellis, wind generator, windmill, miscellaneous, game, guitar, humidor, bathhouse and billiards. If you can't find something to build, then you truly are not into woodworking. Increase your wood plans knowledge, as there are many references to websites where you can learn more about the project you are attempting. We believe this to be an advantage because during a search on the internet you may have never found these sites. Most people don't go beyond page 1 during a search. Increase your woodworking knowledge and techniques. This Woodwork Plans website is a private, membership-only woodworking site, solely dedicated to wood plans and woodworking. You have access to woodworking videos, woodworking tips, woodworking guides, woodworking projects and DIY projects. Most of this can be downloaded onto your computer. If you prefer, a DVD can be sent to you with all the information on it. Furthermore, you will have the opportunity to purchase more plans if you would like. Save money with a bargain price. We are always looking for a good deal, and we believe we have found it. Most wood plans do not provide a high-quality materials list and step-by-step instructions. By the time you look at the cost per plan, you'll end up paying less than 1 cent per plan. For us, this is a bargain basement price. These plans are suitable for a wide range of woodworker abilities. We found a lot of the woodworking plans are suitable for your basic homeowner, woodworker, and DIY person. They need to learn new skills or would like to attempt many projects but do not have the knowledge to start or complete a project. We found the Woodworker Guide available inside the Ted's Woodworking site provides ample guidance and is beneficial for all levels. This best wood plans website saves the homeowner, woodworker, DIY person lots of time. The biggest benefit of being a member of Ted's Woodworking is not having to search long hours on end for wood projects and wood plans. I know there are guys who spend endless hours searching for wood plans when all they have to do is join. All the woodworking plans are at your fingertips. You will be a satisfied woodworker if you do join this best wood plans website. After reading this review, just take your time and review everything available. Make sure you have a paper sack nearby in case of hyperventilation due to excitement. You can literally spend hours browsing and looking at different projects and wood plans. They're all well organized. You can narrow down your search and find what you want fairly quickly. Plus, you get access to woodworking tips, ideas, tricks and how-to information that even the most seasoned professional would find interesting and beneficial to read. You receive a lifetime benefit. This best wood plans website is a one-time payment for a lifetime membership. As new material is received, you will be given access to this knowledge. You can access this website every day of your life. You are guaranteed your money back if you're not 100% satisfied. You have an absolute insurance policy with nothing to lose if you join this one-time membership woodworking website. If you are not happy with everything, you can receive a 100% money-back guarantee. Although we're confident you'll never want your money back. So why wait another minute? Get access to all these thousands of woodworking plans right now. Just click the link below for instant access.